Welcome to Labelzone. This is the unboxing and overview of the PT-E100 VP. This is the entry level model of the P-Touch printers aimed at electricians. This is the VP, which stands for value pack, so you get the hard carry case along with tape and power adapter. So let's do a quick look over the back. So we can see the details here. It's a 20mm/second printing. Does the cable wrap function, the cable flags, plus face plates, sequential numbering. It's got a reasonably large sized screen, nice and clear and easy to read. So let's pop it open and have a look. So let's take the sleeve off. Don't need that. Here we see the hard carry case. Got P-Touch here. Really solid, really durable case, considering it's made of plastic. Pop it open. There we can see the printer comes with a free tape and the power adapter. So the space you've got here will hold a few other tapes, which is nice. You've got a reference sheet here of all the TZ tapes available, so you choose your size, your colour, and you've given the part number of what to order. This printer will only take TZ tapes of up to 12mm in width. Underneath the printer we'll see that we've got quick start guides and other user manuals in there. We don't need those. Just going to go over the basics, it's easy enough. So I'll pop this to one side and let's get printing. We'll have a quick look through some of the font styles that we've got on this printer. You can access them from the menu. Scroll along. The first option is size. You've got three sizes to choose from: large, medium and small. I've printed off an example here. So this is on 12mm tape. You've got your large size, your medium, which is just slightly more squished, and then your small, which is actually quite a lot smaller. Your next option along is style. You've got a few styles to choose from. Again, I've printed off a list here to see. So you've got your normal, you've got bold, which as you can expect is slightly more bold. Outline, an outline with a shadow. Italic, and then you've got everything with italic. So italic bold, italic outline, italic shadow, and then your last one is vertical, which will only really make sense if I hold it that way. Your next option is width. Again, your normal width. You can double the width and you can half the width. Nice, simple three options there. You've got underline and frame. You haven't got that much to choose from, but you've got enough. You can do an underline or you can have it framed. The frame has rounded corners as well, so it does look quite nice. Other options in the menu are label length, margins, cable rotate and repeat, which is only on this option, file for where you save your label templates, and your tab length. First you've got preview to preview your label, and feed to feed if you're doing chain print. You can change the units from millimeters to inches. We'll have a quick look through the different label types. We've already seen the standard normal type. Let's have a look at rotate and repeat, or known as cable wrap. Here we can set the diameter of the cable, so 6mm, you can up it as well. Let's say 10mm for this example. And hit enter, and now you're ready to go. So for example, let's say 240 volts. Let's go through, you can see electrical. Let's see if there's anything in here we would want to use. Nope, probably under safety. There we go, that's what I wanted. So press print, we only want one copy. This sort of label you would print on a flexible tape. So there we can see 240 volt with a little icon. The next label type, we'll see if it stays with the same data, is the cable flags. So flag length, we can say auto, or we can give it a specific length. We'll leave it at auto, and let's press print. This label is quite a bit longer. Got these two little dots here again to cut. You can see it says 240 volt with my icon. A dotted line which would be the centre of the cable. This is where it would fold round the cable, sticking back on itself. Both these cable types, the wraps and the flags, you would use the TZ-FX tape. And the next label type is faceplate. This would be for labelling individual devices for fixed length. All you need to do is tell it the length. By default it's 50. For this example we're going to say 30, which is the smallest. 300 is the largest. So we shall say if we print that, it says text limit because the faceplate is too small. So what we'll do is we'll put that on a new line. That means the label is fixed to 30mm wide, starting from the dots, and it's automatically adjusted the text to fit. To go back to general label, just tap on the type of label you're on, and it's back to general label. The next demonstration is serial numbers. For this demonstration I have changed the margin settings. They are currently set to chain print, which would make the labels appear smaller. So for this example I shall enter the following: SN for serial number. You don't need to do this, this is just for the label demonstration. You would normally have a serial number longer than 1, longer than 2 characters. So, but we'll be starting at 1. Press the serial button, it says invalid data, we need to scroll back onto that one. We will say 5 labels, hit enter, and it starts printing straight away. You can see the counter there. That's the chain print. We want to OK to feed, and we cut. You can now see it's printed 5 labels, almost identical: SN01, SN02, SN03, SN04 and SN05. So there we would use some scissors and cut them up individually. So this has then been an unboxing and quick overview of the Brother PT-E100. These are available for purchase from our website labelzone.co.uk. Thank you for watching.